Having a bed slide in your truck is awesome, but having the bed bin complete kit really gives you more options for controlling your cargo. This 5-piece accessory kit is the perfect addition to the Bedslide. This kit adds bin storage in 5 places. The bed bin sidekicks are placed over the top of the wheel wells. This is usually a wasted space, but these bins add easily accessible places to store toolboxes or other gear. At 7 inches by 44 inches, these bins are a great spot to store longer items. You can access these bins from either over the side of the bed or when you pull out the Bedslide. Between the wheel wells and the tailgate are the bed bin mini kicks. These add an additional 7 inches by 18 inches of storage. This often wasted space is a perfect spot for the things you need to access quickly, even without lowering the tailgate. And finally, the bed bin upper tray adds a 16-inch by 44-inch storage tray that connects across the Bedslide from side to side. This bin can be added along at any point of the Bedslide from front to back. All the Bedslide bins are made from high-quality aluminum, a composite material, and an all-weather soft surface inside the bin. If you're interested in purchasing the Bed Bin Complete Kit or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.